Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the one and only channel on YouTube that is local, from Nagaland, and entirely dedicated to woodworking. Where watching my videos is fun, it's filled with entertainment, and it's educational, where you can always learn something new. And you get to watch it on YouTube, which is free. I know, I'm so generous, I know. Well, let's stop this self-praise right there, and let's get on with today's video. Like I said yesterday, this is the table legs connector bar. I've already cut it into size and already planed it. Now we're going to make the connector tips today, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. 아주 introduction 되면 boring이면 하치나. 물기도 봐야 되게 잡아도 practice, cut, take again, mistake before I'll achieve it like repeat. Easy नोरे काम भी करो वीडियो भी बनाओ आधा टाइम तो दिन ला दो इन्हीं recording दे जाए मानवान इसने talented भी नोरे ना इस मानवान इसने talented से कर दो एक पर viral होना था वो लेके और पाए ना talent ना bar connector do kushe the pin connector pin itu ba thing to the join role na le mo kurna dikhawo chinta no problem. I'll show you how it works. Ite itu panache to thing de tai connect kora laga itu socket to banawo ite itu kali portion banana khatam hoala legs to ase yete connector do khali boli last connector do itu ba banawo itu lopore बनाना हालियो हलिबे बनाना हाला रातो हाला बिजिदे तला शेप तो बनाए बाला से जो सस्ता से दोना फर्स्ट हालियो itu बिजिदे itu राखिना तला शेप तो करियो itu we need before katina thelo time de itu lagaw le so the first na itu time de ede gum haligina glue halina lagaw to itu part to katina phelaw le so yede na lagaw itu nimidi takhi marne rakhi the thing to the operated the attachment or socket panawala chaka panalishe thing do side rakhibo tala distance is up the place rakhina itu la operated rakhi na takhe marebo tala socket katina la pilabo hali sabo fitting test kori sabo milina nemile sabo milishe bole to kam khatam final attachment lagawle time de fitting katiwle time de last step phalwa mila to piche important ase if take mila na hule to all the your entire work goes down the drain final fixing rule ase measurement do twice thrice 4 times 5 times be koribe if possible mistake no hole halwa kora biche de measurement ঠিক হৈছে size ঠিক হৈছে diagonal ঠিক হৈছে taki maro double check triple check kora bichide last day measurement diagonal left right age piche sob thik howa bichide last day hi taki maro india maribo aro one important thing apni ambi kam korina india measurement process hole to taki mara bichide don't forget to give numbering number dibo lage na for example let's say 2 so that tu take maro ola biche next time hala tandar aish kun ola dashi akina biche age biche ne no korone confuse na hone de take mara lo de number disi bole to next time ola na wapas hala tande confuse no ifale all of tight katina ase moi the chisel do all of pairing kori dibo taki maran na thickness na jaise fitting ase tight ase good now apne an bhabi daikyo ke table ekta banawle ke eman long process chai na eman to bana simple ase the permanent lagai na bana bi ne bhabna bi kore bo bana but the main goal of this table is assembly disassembly korbo paribo lage theng aro table top aro theng do separate kurila entire solid wood table dole pishi phare ase aro transportation ne pishi dikdar ase na so idu disassemble kona parts alag lena bukhina pairage bole transportation ne pishi loading unloading dibi aro bukhibuli pishi sosta hoy so main goal do table solid wood la table kori dibi disassemble kobol para laga for easier transportation ne and the reason why moi to clear kora chhu to this table itu do commercial purpose karne ase every now and then transportation kora haibo higher system jabole ase so every now and then manan higher gorchi bole to lui jabo use koribo anibo inia koribo ase to so permanent table do bana lishi bole to duijon manu tijon manu bhai bukhole pisi diktar ase kulibe kitia itu disassemble koribo para last system de banabo transportation pisi sosta hoy itu karne utu goal do itu disassemble koribole hi rakhi gina banai ase itu wa kam extra guna jailibe it should be possible disassemble koribole for easier transportation itu is so I hope that clears your mind about kiliman to pay zero kili permanent number kili nya kuri ase na long process kili jai ase I hope that clears your mind aro ekta banana dikai dise aro one down 9 more to go. Tosta bana hole ase to 1 down 9 more to go. So moi dusra bagi han bhi banana jabo ekta banana dikai she video aji yate khatam korbo. Like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow on the next video.